Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. Today I'm going to introduce our the newest products on my right hand. It's a countertop styling, the manual griddles. So let me give you the overall dimensions first. Its unit's entire length, they are about like a 24 inches. And the depths of the units, they are almost about like a 32 inches deep. And the overall height, they are about like a 15 inches. For the cooking area, for these cooking pan sizes, they are about like a 24 inches wide and 24 inches deep. And thickness, they are about like a 1 inches deep too. So as we can see, the manufacturer design, they do having two manual switches at the front to adjust the temperatures, and also they having small windows on side for you to view the fire status inside. And also they having a small hole at the front at top of the middle. This one for you to clean the dust and drain down to the bottoms. They have a small drawer at the bottoms. This is made in by stainless steel, and you can clean it and then remove it anytime if you need. And also they come with a 4 adjustable lights. The heights you can switch a little bit. And when we're looking the behind of the units, they're also having a jet behind the connections. For these connections, it's about like a 2.5 inches deep. And also the manufacturers, they offer the regulators for you to installations. And also when we're looking the side of the units, we haven't seen the ISA sanitation stickers on it and all the manufacturer informations, and they give you the details. They just stick on the side of the unit. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.